Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're tuning in, if you're coming back as a return subscriber, I want to say thank you for the love and support. Thank you to all the new subscribers that have come on board. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a hair growth oil using a combination of carrier oils and also essential oils. If you want to see how I make it, just keep on watching. So first, the carrier oils I'll be using 4 carrier oils, and they are grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil has good antioxidants. It stimulates the production of cells in the follicles. Next, I have sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil nourishes the hair, helps with dryness and itchy scalp. Next, I have flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil has good omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids, and it's also known as linseed seed oil. Next, I have pumpkin seed oil. It's a DHT blocker, and a DHT blocker is something that usually occurs in men when men have like male pattern baldness and things like that, is due to DHT. You can also do some more research on it to find out, some more information, but that's what this is good for. And it also helps to stimulate hair growth. Now, I'll be using 3 essential oils. I'll be using lavender. Lavender essential oils has antimicrobial properties and helps to prevent head lice. It helps with inflammation on the scalp, and it helps with dandruff. And we have rosemary oil. Rosemary oil helps with dry, itchy scalp, and it helps stimulate hair growth. And last but not least, we have peppermint oil. Peppermint oil gives a nice tingly sensation to the scalp, which encourages blood circulation to the scalp. So let's begin mixing. So first, you want to take a applicator bottle. This is what I'll be using, and it goes up to 8 ounces. So I'm going to start with the carrier oils first. So I'm going to do the sweet almond. I'm going to fill it up to 2 ounces. Okay. Okay, so I got that up to 2 ounces. Next, I'll be filling up the flaxseed oil. I'm going to do 3 ounces of the flaxseed oil. Okay, so I did 2 ounces of sweet almond and then 3 ounces of flaxseed. And next, I'm going to do a generous amount of the grapeseed oil. Okay, so I'm going to use a pippette for this one. I'm gonna use a whole lot, but I'm gonna put a generous amount. Okay, then next I'm going to right here. Then next I'm going to add some drops of pumpkin seed. Few drops of that. And a few drops. This is a carrier oil, so it's okay. You just do a few drops. It's to your discretion because this is not an essential oil, so yeah. Okay, so that's about 5.5 ounces. Then I'm gonna take lavender oil, put a few drops of that. I'm gonna do about 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do 10 drops of that. Then peppermint oil, I'll do about 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one went in fast. Next, I'll do 5 drops of rosemary. Okay. Then, top on. Shake it up real well. And you can use this oil for your scalp massages, for your hair. You also do some hot oil treatment. I filled it up, decided to fill it up to like about 5 ounces. Yeah. So this is an 8-ounce bottle, but I just decided, let me just fill it up to 5. So you can do as little or as much as you want. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And I encourage you all to, if you are taking care of your hair, do what works for you. You know, everybody, like, we're all different. So if you have certain allergies or certain reactions to certain types of oils, use the oils that is best for you. I'm just sharing information in case if anybody was looking for any alternatives or any suggestions of what oils that are good out there and what they do, you know. But ultimately, you know, do everything you're doing at your discretion, and also do some research too. What I would suggest is when you're using the carrier oils in conjunction with the essential oils, what you would do is you can do a skin test where you put like a small amount of, like a small little mixture on your skin, and then wait about 24 hours to see if you get any allergic reaction to it. If you do, then stay away from that product. But if you don't, then you know that it's good for you and you can use it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. And before you go, remember, aim for modesty, carry your beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. See you all in my next video. Later.